Welcome back to another edition of our FOX40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be doing our tailgate edition, doing some simple sides so you can grab and go and take it to the tailgate with you. Today we're doing our 7-layer dip. Very, very simple, easy ingredients, easy to put together. So first I have my first layer, which will be my refried bean that I cover the bottom of my pan with. Then I have a sour cream that's gonna be mixed with a taco seasoning, a guacamole, fresh lettuce, tomato, drained black beans, drained black olives, jalapenos as well. And then I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. And I love my Fritos big scoop chips that'll make perfect with it. Let's start putting this dish together. I already have my refried beans layered. Next is my sour cream. Just wanna smooth that over, keep it thick as well. Just want to make that second layer even all over. I had this dish for the first time at a nice party, at a Christmas party, man. I looked up the recipe and it's been sticking with me ever since. It's one of my favorite dishes. Then I come with your guacamole. And if time prevails, what I like to do is put it in the refrigerator for a second after each layer to let it thicken up and kind of be stiff. I'm gonna do your black beans. Come with a layer of my tomatoes, my black olives, some lettuce here. Now for your color, I'm gonna go for the cheese. Now all you need is a top to top this up. And we have a 7-layer dip for your tailgate party. You can find this recipe and a full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.